Step 1. Understand your brain's reward circuit. First, stop beating yourself up. Lust isn't a moral failure. It is just biology, specifically a dopamine trap. Sexual images hijack your brain's reward system exactly like junk food or addictive substances do. Once you realize this, the urge stops feeling like a personal weakness. It is just a chemical impulse. It is something you can manage, delay, and redirect, rather than something you have to obey. Step 2. Identify your triggers and cues. These feelings don't just appear out of nowhere. They are triggered by specific conditions, usually stress, boredom, being up too late, or doom scrolling. You need to play detective. Track exactly when the urge hits and what you were doing right before. Suddenly, this isn't a vague battle anymore. It is a pattern you can predict and prepare for. Step 3. Remove environmental traps. Don't rely on willpower. It fails when you are tired. Instead, fix your environment. Filters, ad blockers, deleting apps, and keeping devices out of the bedroom matter way more than motivation. Every little barrier buys you a few seconds of time, and honestly, those few seconds are usually enough for the impulse to pass. Step 4. Challenge the mental excuses. Your brain is going to lie to you. It will say things like, just this once, or I need this to relax. You have to call out those bluffs. Ask yourself, how will I feel after? Not during. The guilt, the brain fog, and the loss of focus are guaranteed outcomes, not surprises. Don't fall for the setup. Step 5. Practice urge surfing. Think of an urge like a wave. It is not a command. It feels huge, but it crashes eventually. When it hits, just delay action for 10 minutes. Go for a walk, breathe deep, or drink some water. If you don't feed the urge immediately, it usually peaks and dies down on its own. Step 6. Regulate dopamine daily. If you fry your dopamine receptors all day, your brain will scream for extreme stimulation at night. You need balance. Get morning sunlight, lift some weights, eat real food, and cut the screen time. When your system is balanced, self-control doesn't feel like a heroic struggle. It just happens naturally. Step 7. Break the habit loop. Habits are just loops. Cue, routine, reward. You can't always stop the cue, but you can change the routine. If loneliness is your trigger, don't isolate yourself. Go outside or call a friend. If you repeat this new reaction enough times, the old automatic behavior starts to break down. Step 8. Build structure and meaning. Boredom is the enemy here. If you are just sitting around, your mind will drift. Structure your day with training, work, and real social interaction. When you are busy making actual progress in life, your brain gets fulfillment from that, so it craves the cheap dopamine hits a lot less. Step 9. Manage stress and sleep. Half the time, you aren't even horny. You are just stressed. Bad sleep kills your willpower and makes you emotional. Prioritize your rest and find healthy ways to vent stress. A calm, well-rested nervous system resists these impulses way better than an exhausted one. Step 10. Track progress and think long-term. This isn't an overnight fix. You are literally retraining your brain. Track your streaks, learn from your slip-ups, and keep going. Every time you say no, you are strengthening the control circuits in your mind. Give it a few months, and discipline will become your new default. Lust loses its power when your discipline becomes automatic. Every delayed urge trains your brain to listen to you, not the impulse. Start today. Stick to these steps for the next 30 days. Drop a comment saying control after your first clean day, because mastery over lust is mastery over your future.